Good morning, good afternoon, YouTube. It is only about 60 degrees out at noon. Can't tell you the date. All I know is Sunday's the 21st and it's Friday, so. This broke. Well, it's hollow inside. When I built this, I didn't think I had anything hollow. This should have been solid steel, and this was solid steel. So I don't know what it is, so. What we're going to do is straighten this, spot weld it, then grind this hole all out, and I'll have the pictures, and then I'll fill it full of weld. But first I have to grind it so I can bend it back together. So we're going to do that, and we'll be back so we can get a closer look and see what's the deal in there. Focus. That's right, there you go. We'll be back. Okay, just a void in the weld. I thought, like, is that hollow? Okay, we're going to straighten and weld it. So look for these pictures at the end so you see all these steps that it took to do this. Because I'm going to put it together, okay, and I'm going to tack weld it, and I'm going to come over and grind on this and re-weld this. So that's how you do it. Don't take it apart and you'd be trying to find a jig. Get it to where you can heat it or bend it or straighten it, get a spot weld to hold it and weld it. We don't want this in two pieces. I won't even tell you how I bent it. Does not matter. I did it. I'm the one that ruined it. Okay, back to work. Okay, I broke it straightening it, but I had to make a little jig real quick. And I held this while I spot welded this, and yes, I wore my helmet. So, I think that's pretty straight. We're going to go down the side and get some weld down the side of it. Then we could kind of move it around a little bit. But I always have scraps laying around. This is actually on the bottom of my welding cart. There's a reason for it. See how that looks like a little square? I saved that. Ooh, that's warm. Oh, I'm not welding with these. They're just going inside these dirty gloves. These are goat skin. I recommend them for MIG weld, light MIG welding only. You're not using for arc welding. You will burn holes right through them. But you can see how they went through a lot of using on the wood stove, stuff like that. Oh, and cardboard. I got fire extinguishers, I got my spray bottle of water, so we're ready. So we're fire safety, so no criticism. If you're not happy, you can leave. I gotta quit doing that. You told me to leave the channel. We'll be back. Okay, I had a hard time getting this. I could not get a connection. I even clamped the clamp here. Well, that's not super clean. And my clamp is clean. I can show it to you. It's not filthy. And I even arced straight to there for a test. Now I get to grind that off. No, it's pretty clean. See? It's just one of them things. MIG welding is funny. I'm like, what's wrong with the welder? So, it's picky. I'm welding with gas, in case you don't know. So I got the shield on it. It's a little crooked, but it's just for picking up garbage and stabbing into stuff. Okay, let's do a little grind and see what it looks like. We'll see if we can make it look better. Okay, we've been doing some grinding on it. Here's the wheels we're using. See how small that is? And this is even smaller. I have an arbor somewhere where you can put this in a drill and you can clean up your car rims. You know, all that rubber and goop where the bead seals. And the drill doesn't go fast enough to really take away any metal, but scrubs the rubber and all the goop off. These are like a couple of bucks a piece. They don't have a whole lot of cords in them. They will eat through MIG weld like it's butter. Yeah, don't throw stuff like this away. You can find it somewhere. It's an arbor that you put on here and bolts on, and it fits right in a drill. It's got a little 1/4-inch shank. Like I said, they are so nice just for cleaning up metal, and not because the drill don't go real fast. But so you're getting all these welding tools. Yeah, use that. And I'll hold my grinder like this. I'll kick it on. And I'm not, my hand, see my hand's not near anything to guard. And I'll go like this to do fine work with it. And this is heavy. This is a Hercules. Hercules. Guess what movie that's from? back to work. If it ain't fun, I don't want to do it. Okay, this was 60 grit, and we're gonna go 120. My welding vice grips, they come in so handy. Look at these poor things. And believe me, the jaws are shot. I needed a pair for welding, so look at this. Isn't that pathetic? And I restored them, but I might clean these up today. See? I'm outside, I'm enjoying the fresh air. I did kind of redo the tip a little bit, was kind of off. Okay, 120 and then we'll be done. So I hope you're enjoying watching this. I know some people do like when I do my little welding projects and repairs. Emergency hoe repair. Okay, we are done. This is 120. And I went real fast. I mean, when I went across, I went whoosh, fast as I could with the 120. Almost put some flits on it. It's back to what it was. Things happen. I was trying to lift up the corner of a pallet and pry it out of the dirt. It's my fault. At least I repaired it. Oh, they don't make these anymore. If you want one of these, you better get one because they're closing them out of the stores. And where I'm at, they don't have any left. And I have one in the box and I will never take it out. So, at my estate sale, you'll find Mr. Pete, the shop teacher, does that. When I go, his mill that he's got down the basement, it goes with the house. It took 5 guys and a crane to get it in there. Anyway, yeah, they don't make these anymore. You know, I use this without, don't criticize me, without no guard. I use these for flapper discs only without a guard. And I leave the handle off because it doesn't weigh anything. You know, and this is what you want to sand with. This thing is so heavy. I'm winding it again. This thing, I like the weight of this thing is so heavy, but what a beast. I have a video on this, you want to see this Hercules. I took the actual grinder disc and cut through a 3/8 thick piece of steel, and people criticizing me. Why don't you use a cutter blade? You missed the point of the video. Oh yeah, just, you can look back how long I've had this and never had a problem. So, I always say that. You know, if I have a problem, I'll put it right back in the description of the original video or whatever. But nope, never had a problem. It's just so damn heavy. I said a D word. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're out of here. I'll leave you enough pictures of this where it looks pretty. Look at that. Look at the bling. Okay, I'll have to work on something else. See you next time.